Welcome back. We're getting some shocking news from Mumbai, where actor Sushant Singh Rajput has committed suicide at his Bandra residence. This is coming across as a huge shock, not just to his fans, but others in the film industry as well, as the news just came in of him ending his life at his Bandra residence in Mumbai. A very well-known actor from his very illustrious career from TV to film industry, and his last film that also came out was Chichore, that also dealt with the suicidal thoughts, something that now his fans and people from the film industry are now expressing their shock on various social media platforms. And what is that we are getting to know, that is still very early, what could have been the reason, but this is coming across as a major shock of actor and a very well-known actor, Sushant Singh Rajput, ending his life. He was just 34, and we're getting to know that he was found hanging at his Bandra residence in Mumbai. So a journey from TV to film industry, as many illustrious films that he has been a part of. We have, we'll be getting more details of what could have been the reason, as it is still very early to say the least, that what may have been the reason of the actor taking this extreme step. Sushant Singh Rajput, no more. He ended his life at his Bandra residence. Is that what we are getting to know, where his fans are now expressing shock as to what could have been the reason behind him taking this step. We have reporters there on the phone line to give us details of what happened. Sushant Singh Rajput passing away. This is very sudden and very shocking.
Absolutely. It has come as a complete shock. Sushant Singh Rajput having committed suicide, it's still something that everybody is still trying to make, accept. Details that we are still trying to pick up, but prima facie, what we do understand is that Sushant Singh Rajput's body was found hanging in his Bandra residence, and what may have led to it, we're trying to, get in touch with his colleagues or friends or anybody who may have more details, and especially people who he might have been in touch with in the past few days. Not known as such, because was it his mental state of mind that led him to do what he did? But for the moment, we can't arrive at any conclusions except for the fact that actor Sushant Singh Rajput, very young, extremely young, still had a long career ahead of him, and had a very successful career in television, had made an equally successful transition into films. And, just his sudden demise, and that too, what may have led to him ending his life, if that is. But for the moment, we can confirm that his body has been found in his Mumbai residence. And more reactions that are coming in from his colleagues on Twitter. As, we are saying it's devastating news. It's rather shocking that something like this has happened. And especially the fact that, he was a very friendly person, extremely dedicated. All his directors, all his teams who have worked with him spoke extremely well of the actor. He was really young, all of 34 years of age. So again, increasing reactions coming in, and nobody really being able to make sense of what may have happened and what could have led to this. Who really was he in touch with? Who was he talking to all these days? Was it his...
So Aisha, stay on with us.